Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Speaking part 1 is a friendly conversation with the examiner, and the purpose is to relax you and to give you some confidence. So that is why they will ask you some very, very simple questions. Let's start. Do you think you are a polite person?
Yeah, I am a polite person.
Because whenever
Whenever I talk with my friends or family, my kids, my daughters, I am very polite.
I'm very polite. Many of my friends, they call me a soft-spoken person, soft-spoken, polite. So to answer your question, I would say, yeah, I am a very polite person, very kind person, and all that. So just organize your answer in 5-6 sentences.
Okay.
How do people show politeness in your country?
Well, I don't think so that in Pakistan we are polite as a whole, um, due to many factors. Due to the
This is not my question. Your answer is irrelevant.
Okay.
And ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਦੀ ਬਦਨਾਮੀ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. Okay? How do people show politeness? Well, in my country, people show politeness through their body language. If they respect, they usually try to show the respect through their body language. On the other hand, they use the courteous words like thank you, please. So this is how they show politeness. And finally, people are soft spoken. In order to show politeness, they try to speak very gently, very softly. So these are the signs which are very common in the people of my country, and this is how they show politeness. Don't go against your country, okay? Yeah. Let's go on. Are you angry with people who are late?
Yes, we should be punctual.
I'm not asking about we should be. We should be is actually you are suggesting something. The question is, are you angry with people who are late? Say,
Yes,
I'm
I am.
always very angry with the people who are late because I am very punctual. I'm always on time. Just try to answer like this because your answers are going away from the topic. So answer again. Are you angry with people who are late?
Yes, I am. Everyone must be punctual on time.
Again, you're saying everyone. Question is, are you? So, are you means I.
I.
Yeah.
I must be punctual.
Okay, this answer is not related to the question. At the moment, you need to work very hard. Try to understand the question and answer accordingly. Okay? No issues. It's your turn, please. All right. Are you ever late for anything?
Actually, no, I'm not.
I've never been late for anything. I'm very punctual. Just carry on.
Yes, I am a very punctual person, and but yeah, I complete my assignments on a very last hour, but I am never late.
Okay, I'm never late for anything. All right. What excuses do you use when you are late?
I don't know.
Whenever I am late, I usually blame the traffic. I just say, well, there were traffic jams on the road and traffic was very slow. On the other hand, if I am late more than 30 minutes, then sometimes I blame, just talk about something else. Okay, let's go on. Are you good at organizing your time?
Yes, actually, I'm a very well managed person, and I organize my time very well. During my assignments, I manage my time.
Okay, try to speak a bit louder. Try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences. And for you, connect your ideas with the main question and understand what the question is. Not one word from the question and then try to answer it in your own way. Okay, you should focus the question, right? Thank you.